Malta se jkollha budget imsejjes fuq 5 prinċipji li jkomplu jsostnu l-investiment kapitali li fl-aħħar budget laħħaq il-biljun euro. Għal dan il-Prim Ministru Robert Abela f'indirizz li għamel waqt il-konferenza organizzata minn Ernst Young li qed tlaqgħa taħt saqaf wieħed investituri barranin u lokali biex jiddiskutu s-settur. Dr. Abela semma bil-fatti ċifri li juru s-suċċess ekonomiku ta' pajjiżna.
In 2023, our unemployment rate fell to 2.5%, a historic low. And for the first time, we have the lowest rate throughout the European Union. In 4 years, the number of people dependent on social assistance also fell by nearly 2,000, meaning 25% less dependency on social benefits. These results come as the result of hard, focused work and should never be taken for granted.
Il-Prim Ministru spjega l-viżjoni ekonomika tal-Gvern għas-snin li ġejjin fejn fost oħrajn semma kif il-budget se jkun mibni fuq l-impenn li jappoġġja u jipproteġi lin-nies u lin-negozji b'stabilità fil-prezzijiet tal-enerġija u miżuri soċjali li jibqgħu jgħinu lil min jiflaħ l-inqas. Il-Prim Ministru tkellem ukoll dwar l-investiment fil-ħiliet biex jinħolqu aktar karriri ta' kwalità ħalli l-ekonomija tibqa' tikber b'mod sostenibbli. Dan kollu qal il-Prim Ministru jorbot mal-impenn tal-Gvern li jrid jibqa' jtejjeb il-kwalità tal-ħajja ta' kull ċittadin. Meta tkellem dwar il-viżjoni ekonomika tiegħu għas-snin li ġejjin, Dr. Abela sema l-qalbiet ambjentali u diġitali u qal li qed iħares il-qudiem lejn proġetti kbar ta' enerġija nadifa.
We believe that facilitating the green economy and digital transitions remains key. These two transitions are the biggest economic opportunities of our generation to build a new prosperity. We need to work together, and I emphasize together, to change the ways we work and, yes, develop better ones.
Il-Prim Ministru qal li pajjiżna taħares li jieħu triq ekonomika li bija jiġbed lejh investiment ibbażat fuq ir-riċerka u l-innovazzjoni, anke fid-dawl ta' riżultati inkoraġġanti mill-istarriġ tal-Ernst Young.
Most firms that were surveyed clearly see their future here in Malta. They recognize our vision and find Malta to be more attractive for investment than our European peers. They are also putting their money where their mouth is, investing more in upskilling their workforce.
Finalment, Dr. Abela qal li qed iħares il-qudiem lejn futur li jkompli jġib bidliet li jlestu lil Malta għal għada u jibni fuq suċċessi miksuba fl-aħħar snin fi sfond ta' sfidi bla preċedent.
The last 10 years have seen us achieve a lot, and we have managed to achieve a lot because we have worked closely together. But I believe that we have the potential to do and achieve even better. Delivering a difference, driving the change which our islands need, addressing the largest and the latest challenges, getting our nation ready for tomorrow's world. In short, getting the future right.